So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So this is going to be our second video. So I am your host, Third Officer Jaswinder Singh. I am the founder of JS Fleet, which is an initiative to guide and help DEC cadets in clearing the second maths exam. So today we'll be talking about the 7 advanced courses that every DEC cadet has to do before applying for his second maths exam. Okay, so here we'll be talking about all the advanced courses that we have to do. Then we'll be talking about the duration of each course, how many days it takes, and then we'll be talking about how much seat time is actually required for each course. So these are the 7 courses that every DEC cadet has to do before applying for his second maths exam. So the first one is Advanced Firefighting, which is the AFF course, then Medical First Aid, MFA, then Proficiency in Survival Craft and Rescue Boards, which is PSCRB, then Radar Observer Simulator course, which is known as ROSC, then ARPA, that is Automatic Radar Plotting Aids, then ECDIS, that is Electronic Chart Display and Information System, and finally we have the GMDSS course, which is Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. So if we talk about the duration of each course, so first there is an e-learning for all these courses. So this duration of days is not including the e-learning. E-learning you have to do it yourself. So these are the days that it takes you to complete your course when you are going to that Maritime Training Institute. So let's say you are going to XYZ Institute. So it will take around 5 days to complete your AFF course. So likewise, this is going to be the duration of each course. AFF will take you 5 days, MFA will be a 4-day course, PSCRB will be a 5-day course, ROSC will be 2 weeks, ARPA 5 days, ECDIS 1 week, and GMDSS will take you 2 weeks. So this 5-day will cover your full week. So this is not like you can do it continuously. So this every course will start from Monday and the next course will again start from the next Monday. So this will cover your entire week. So you can take it as 1 week. All these 5 days you can take as 1 week also. So let's go. And now we'll talk about the minimum seat time required. So when you are doing your first shift, when you come back after completing your first shift of 6 months, so that time, and you get a waiting period of let's say 2 or 3 months. So you can utilize that time by doing all these courses which require only 6 months of seat time. So you can do MFA, AFF and PSCRB, a combination of these 3 courses, or you can go for a GMDSS course. Whatever you feel like, you can complete during that waiting period without wasting your time. Don't worry about the expiry or the validity of these courses, because most of them are valid for like 5 years or lifetime. So don't worry about that. Just go on and use that waiting period time for yourself. And ROC, ARPA, ECDIS, there in some places, in some institutes, 9 months of seat time is required, but mostly they tell you that after 12 months you can do this course, you can do these courses. Okay, so let me tell you about one more thing here, that where should you do these courses from. So whenever you are applying for any course, so all these 6 courses from AFF till ECDIS, these are only basic courses. They don't have any specific exam. So I would prefer, let's say you are living in Kolkata. So I would say if there is any training maritime institute in Kolkata, you can go ahead and do all the 6 courses from there. But for GMDSS course, be careful guys, GMDSS course is not a course, it's an exam also. So there is a lot of practice required. So I would suggest you to go to some good place for the GMDSS course. So mostly people are going to Delhi ARI, or they are going to Kolkata CCOM, from where I also cleared my GMDSS exam. So for GMDSS you have to do your research, but for all the other courses you can do from anywhere. That's not an issue. Wherever you are getting lesser rates or cheaper rates, you can go there and do all these courses.
Just now you saw that a young third officer Jaswinder Singh has written this fabulous book, a great initiative taken for the maritime industry, and I just hope that Babaji Kripa that he writes the other 2 books soon. And I'm just waiting that many more young people join and make sure that we give the right knowledge to the maritime fraternity. At one end, in the last 3 years, Merchant Navy Decoded has helped a lot of marine engineers and GP rating people with a lot of online content which is helping them today earn respect on ship, whether it's related to how to read electrical circuit diagram, how to read manual diagrams, how does automation work, a lot of videos made on ship. Definitely we lagged with the deck side packages, but now we have worked on that. So we have come along with packages on ROR. We have come along with packages on specifically made for candidates who are about to join their first ship as a deck cadet, and many more. Why don't you just go to the link given in the description box and the pin comment and see for yourself what all packages are available and how are they beneficial to you. Let's make a strong maritime community which is out there to earn respect on ship and make Indian maritime fraternity proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.